Please don't break anything else. Oh my god. What the? It's so hot and I'm drinking tea. And keep watching. Oh my god, I can't even talk right now. I swear I'm so overly caffeinated. I need to like chill out for a second. Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl TK back at it with another YouTube video. And for today's video, we are gonna discuss my high-end favorite makeup products. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will see that I did a drugstore IGTV favorites video, and I decided this time we're gonna take it to YouTube. We want to start making some money, okay? Anyways, so just a little discretion or whatever it's called. It is going to be all high-end makeup products. If you are looking for affordable makeup finds, you can head over to my Instagram. There's a drugstore one over there in IGTV. Before we go ahead into the video, if you're new here and you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button and turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video, because the day is uncertain. So if you want to know every time I post, then hit that notification, girl. Alright, so if you would like to see my high-end favorites, then please keep watching. Okay, so first things first would be primer. Now, I don't really use primer, to be honest with you, but if you're looking for a primer, I have this one that I received actually in BoxyCharm. It is Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. It gives you that very pretty glowy look, and it also has a sticky finish, which is perfect for makeup application, meaning your makeup's gonna stick right onto that primer, which if you're gonna use a primer, let's be real, that's what you want your primer to do. And even people with oily skin types even had said that this didn't make them look oilier. So I would suggest trying this product out. So next would be foundation, and to be honest with you, I have yet to find like a high-end favorite. A lot of the foundations that I have are for like oily skin or something. I don't know why I bought them, but I just bought them just to go with it. I'm like a kind of girl who doesn't really like wearing foundation, so I like wearing like a light to medium full coverage, if you will. So that's why the only one that I would recommend that I actually use and almost finished using is the Born This Way from Too Faced foundation, and I feel like it's the perfect amount of coverage, and plus it doesn't make you look super matte, because I don't like that. I have a dry skin type, so this is the one that I would recommend. If you guys know of any foundations light to medium coverage that don't make you super matte, let me know down below, because I'm looking for new foundations to try. But other than that, this one is my favorite. It's a Saturday, so that's me pretending to be in the club, fist bumping. Okay, so next I'm gonna go over is concealers. So I like using concealers that are more full coverage because I have such dark circles under my eyes. So the three that I would recommend that are full coverage are the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. This one has like this one has the little tip just like that, so it's like a cooling applicator, and when you put it under your eyes, it feels so nice, and if you have a little bit of puffiness, this could help cool it. So that's another thing that I really love about this product. The only thing I noticed that it oxidizes a little bit, so just be wary about that. I also have the Tarte Shape Tape as another favorite, and then the Urban Decay's All Nighter Concealer. Now these both have like the same formula, however I feel like the Urban Decay maybe is a little less drying and more forgiving with the timing, because with Tarte Shape Tape I feel like you have to really start blending right away, whereas this one is more lenient. So these two are also amazing. And if you're looking for something for those more natural days, or you just want something very light coverage, I have the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer, and I use this on days that I actually don't wear makeup, like a no makeup look. This is perfect for that, and I mean, I keep buying this one. It's so amazing. And next we have powder. So my pressed powder, that's my go-to and my favorite. I'm so freaking sad. As I was setting up for filming, I dropped it. So it's all broken, and ew, there's a hair in there. And I was gonna try and fix it, but I think this just might be garbage because there's like hairs in it. It was my favorite pressed powder, and it's the Too Faced Primed and Poreless. It's an amazing powder for powdering underneath the eyes or touching up, getting rid of that shine. And for loose powders, we have my OG Laura Mercier translucent powder. I've already talked about this before in a different video. Not much to say. It's amazing for baking. Huda Beauty, you guys may see me using this a lot. It's another good thing too. Just makes you airbrush and perfect for baking. Okay, and here is a new favorite of mine. It is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. I was so wowed when I tried this powder because it literally feels like water when you're applying it to your face, and then it sets like matte, and then it's like so beautiful. It looks like skin, like airbrush skin. It's just so pretty. Okay, so next for contours, the Huda Beauty Tantour is my new favorite because it's just so creamy. However, when I used the, which one was it? Was it medium? I think I was using medium, and I got reposted by Huda, and people were so mean in the comments about how my contour was too dark. Well, but I mean, now I'm using the light shade, and actually using it today. It's just very bronzy, but if you're looking for more of a sculpt, I would recommend going up a shade. This one is just more for bronzing for me, but I like that anyways because, to be honest, for day to day I just like looking a little sculpted but not too contoured, so this is a go-to that I use every day. For powders, I have the NARS, and there's nothing listed, like there's no name, but it looks just like this, and this is in the shade Paloma. This is really good if you're just in a rush and just want to quickly sculpt, or you can combine the two like I usually do for a full-on contoured. And for bronzer, I love the Too Faced Chocolate Gold. Now this does have a bit of a shimmery effect to it. If you don't really like that shimmery bronzy look, they also have the strictly matte ones, which are the Chocolate Soleils. Those are really nice too, and they smell really delicious. I also love the Hoola bronzer, but I don't know where mine went. It's really weird because I just used it a couple days ago. So yeah, it's a little bit weird, but it's MIA. Next would be blushers. If you guys know me, you guys know that I love more of a liquid blush. I'll use liquid lipsticks for that look, but I discovered finally a blusher. It is Nude Sticks. Just as all over face color, so you could use it on your cheeks, your lips, your eyelids. I got the shade Cherry Blossom, and it's really pretty. It does give you that dewy flash of natural color that makes you look young and youthful, and I like how it has a brush on the other side. And if you're going for a really super blushy look like I tend to do, as you'll see in my Instagram pictures, I love blush, so I'll use this and then a blush powder on top, which is the Tarte Amazonian Clays. Those are amazing. But yeah, if I'm just going for a daily look, I would only use this just for a flush of color for that no makeup look. Same with the Benny tint as well. I love this too for those days of no makeup look. So next, highlights, the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby and Mean Money combo. I like both of them. I like the very subtle one for those no makeup days, and then this one for more glam days, or I'll combine the two. And as you can see, I'm almost running out. The Anastasia Amrezy highlight. I use this all the time. This is probably the one that I use actually every single day. The thing is with this one, I believe it's limited edition, so I don't know if you could purchase this anymore. I heard that they were gonna bring it back again, but I don't know. So it's a good thing that they give you a lot of product, because I've had this for like a year now and I use it all the time and I still have so much product left. And if they don't have the Amrezy anymore, her glow kits from Anastasia obviously are amazing too. This one is the Sugar Glow Kit, so these are more adventurous highlights. If you're more of a subtle gal, she has this other one that's more for every day. This one's for more adventurous looks, but I'm actually using it today and it doesn't look like it's like crazy makeup, right? So these are really great highlighting formula. Okay, next we're gonna go into eyeshadows. So I love Huda Beauty's Obsessions, her Obsession palettes. I actually bought all like the colorful ones because I love color. Just the color payoff in these and the blendability is so amazing. However, with the neon one, because the neon one is actually pressed pigments, they're a little bit harder to work with, so it makes it more of an intermediate palette. However, all the other Obsession palettes, like the Coral Obsessions, the Electric Obsessions, and then her Gemstone Obsessions, they all have the same formula and they're very pigmented and blend out very easy, so I absolutely love her Obsession palettes. Also, the Tarte BU Naturally eyeshadow palette, I actually use this on a day-to-day basis. I'll use like these two bronze. The mattes in here are pigmented and blendable. However, I think it was a BoxyCharm exclusive, so I don't know if you can purchase this, but maybe go in store and try Tarte's eyeshadows and see if you like them, and I'm sure it's gonna be formulated the same, and this smells like chocolate, so I love that. And then Tarte's Chrome Paint Shadow Pots. These are amazing too if you're just in a rush and want to pop on a shimmer on your lid or use an inner corner highlight. This one is in Sun Drenched. It is such a beautiful color. And then I have the Top Yacht shade as well, which I even use for a highlighter. It's broken though, so I'm going to try and show you as best as I can. Gorgeous for inner corner highlights, just to pop on a little bit of shimmer if you're doing one of those days where you're just adding a little bit of bronzer to your crease and want some shimmer. These are so beautiful, so pigmented, and just gorgeous. I love these shadow pots. Mascara, I only have one high-end favorite mascara. I've tried so many of them. I mean, the Too Faced Better Than Sex, I really like it. However, I never went back and bought it again. I think I've used to purchase it all the time back then, but I kind of just was over it and moved on. So my favorite right now is the Benefit Roller Lash. It is amazing. It just makes my lashes look so long. I was kind of going through a phase where I didn't even want to wear false eyelashes, so I was literally just wearing this because I felt like I didn't need false lashes. And yeah, this mascara is the bomb.com. Eyebrow products, obviously Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Dip Brow, the Brow Definer, and then the Brow Wiz. Dip Brow is more for intermediate makeup users. If you're just starting out, I would even say the Brow Definer is a little bit more difficult to work with just because of the point, but the pencil is actually probably the best for a beginner. But it also, I feel like, is more expensive and you get less product, or maybe because you're using more because it's so thin, than this, the Brow Definer. So, I mean, if I were to go and purchase again, I would go and get the Brow Definer again versus the Brow Wiz, because this one just lasts longer. Okay, last but not least, we have lippies. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, y'all already know what my favorite is, and I would recommend to anyone. Huda Beauty lipsticks. I love her liquid lipsticks. The formula is just amazing. The colors, ugh, they're just my favorite ever. And that's why I buy the minis, because I want every color possible that she has. But I do have my favorites of hers, and it would be Trendsetter, Girlfriend, Trophy Wife, and Spice Girl. Those are my four absolute favorites that I wear every day. I'm wearing Trendsetter right now. They don't make your lips look dry and chalky. Like, I notice other brands, liquid lipsticks, they get dry or chalky, or if you keep reapplying them throughout the day, they get like sticky, or like they just peel and it's just so ugly and gross. But her liquid lipsticks are just amazing. I absolutely love them, and I don't wear anything else. However, I don't have a red Huda Beauty liquid lips, so the Fenty Stunna would be the red one that I would wear for a matte. It doesn't dry down completely matte though, that's the only thing, but the same thing, it doesn't get dry, chalky, gross, so I would recommend her lip paint as well. And MAC lip liners. I have a zillion of these too. My favorites would be Soar, Spice, Whirl. Soar, Spice, Whirl, and I think those are the three that I actually use the most. And then I have a zillion other ones, but honestly, best lip liners ever, and I don't use anything else. So basically everything mentioned in today's video is something that I actually reach for and use when I'm not filming. These are actually products that I use on a daily basis and would highly recommend for you. The thing is, preference too, I have a dry skin type, so take that into account if you're going to buy some of my items. But the good thing is with Sephora, you can try it out. You don't like it, you can return it within 30 days, get your money back, or buy something else. So that's a bonus too. So I hope you guys like these products. If you do try them out, comment down below, let me know if you tried any of these out, if you like them, or if you have any recommendations for me to try out. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget before you go to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on that post notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Join the squad. Join the squad. See, I don't need to go out and party on a Saturday because I am partying right here with you guys. But yeah, like always, have a good day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one.